Did you know that the Sync 3 system has so many available themes and you don't have to be stuck with the one you currently have? Hey guys, welcome to Red50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be covering all the Sync 3 themes available for your Sync 3 system. Sync 3 comes standard on your Ford or your Lincoln vehicles. Depending on what car you have, you probably have the standard theme corresponding to that vehicle. In my case, the Mustang, so I get the pony logo every time I start the car. But there's so many different themes available that you can also choose from. In order to do all of that, you do need to access the hidden sync menu, which I do have an in-depth tutorial that I'll link up in the description below, so you can check it out. It's very easy to follow. You can easily access the Sync 3 hidden menu. And once you do that, you can choose all these fancy Sync 3 system themes. With that being said, let's go through all these Sync 3 themes available on your Ford or Lincoln vehicles. Well guys, that is all the themes available for your Sync 3 system. That includes the Ford themes and also the Lincoln themes. There are only a couple themes that were Lincoln specific that did not work on my Mustang. So if you do have a Lincoln vehicle and you access the hidden menu, you may be able to pull those up. But in my instance, it pretty much gave me like a blank screen and it wouldn't load. I tried it multiple times. But as you saw, there was like 15 or so themes combined with Ford and Lincoln. It's kind of cool that you can also have the Lincoln themes on your Ford vehicle or Ford themes on your Lincoln vehicle or basically. So in my opinion, it's a very cool feature to have. The only downside is obviously you have to access the hidden menu, and it's only temporary, so once you turn off the car, they go away. Nonetheless, it's pretty cool to be able to see all these themes available on your Sync 3 system. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and comment below which one is your favorite theme on the Sync 3 system. And as always, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.